Let's see. So I'm at some store called Tuesday Morning, and oh my gosh, if you've been following my channel, you know I love really weird scents. And I found this candle, and it's called Texas Leather. You guys, it smells so good. It smells like fresh cowhide boots, and it's basically $6. So I'm gonna get this. So excited. I'm just gonna keep looking around. They have like some beauty hygiene stuff that I kind of already looked at, but I didn't really see anything that I actually wanted to get. Okay, so now I'm at Marshall's, and I'm gonna be getting this Shea Moisture curling souffle because it's gonna be getting hot, and I'm gonna start wearing my natural hair. The silk press was cool for the whole, you know, winter time, but I think I'm ready to bring back my curls. So I'm gonna get this. I've heard some good stuff and bad stuff about it, but I just have to try it for myself. Now I'm in the perfume section. They have so many different new perfumes. I'm about to scavenge through all of these and see what I can find. Hopefully I don't find anything that I actually want to buy. Oh my gosh. Hold on, this kind of smells like alcohol. I think I just found a dupe for the Chanel Chance Eau Fresh. It's in the green bottle. And even though I haven't smelled it in a hot minute, like this still really smells really good. And it kind of smells like it, but it's $16.99. And I don't think I like it enough to actually get it. So I'm at the Hanes store, and they have these super cute sports bras. And if you watch a couple vlogs back, I did just buy some bras, but these are really cute and tempting. Look how cute that is. That's white. That one's I don't really like that one. This one is cute. I like to wear these type of bras too. This is super cute, and it comes with a matching pants, but I don't know, I think it's gonna get pretty hot soon, so that would kind of be a waste.